Well, I've been living with this broken glass for a couple years now. I've replaced these glass pieces quite a few times. So I don't even put any sealer or anything anymore in the glass. I just replace the glass. Went down to my local glass shop and had them cut just a couple of pieces for me. I think it was 180 bucks or something for both pieces. So now I'm just going to change it out. So when I used to change these, I used to try and get this out of the channel, get it out on the bench and take it all apart. Now I just finally figured out, I'm a slow learner I guess, that you can just undo these 3 screws that hold it to the top channel, and it just slides out. Maybe I got it. This little corner brace here thingy was hanging up in here a little bit, but I got it to come out, so now it's all out. Now I just have to slide the glass out. Like I said, I don't put any sealant or anything in there anymore because I break these so often. So this just slides right out. One-handed. I'll get the other one and put the new ones in. You do have to undo these. Just unscrewed the thumb screw right here. Unhooked it so that whole thing would come apart. So there is a hole in this little corner brace thing right here. Well, this moves around, so you got to make sure the hole is lined up before you put the other channel in. Okay, the glass is all replaced. Most of you will have a couple of screws right here that go into that little brace for the corner that double braces it or whatever. I don't care if I have those in there because I'm probably going to take this apart again soon after I break it again. But other than that, it's just 3 top screws. There's one over there, and then you have to take this hinge apart. Just take the thumb screw out, and then the whole bottom of the frame will come off and you can replace it. I don't run a windshield wiper, so what I like to do is I get some Rain-X and I put that on the windshield from time to time. It's almost like a glass wax, and it helps the water to run off if you do get into some kind of rain situation. So there you have it, new glass.